Hello students and welcome to the session. So today we are going to start with the pages. So pages are different from the post and they are static and they do not change often. Okay, so when you go to the pages you get two options here, that is all pages and add new. Now suppose if you want to add a new page is basically, I can say, in a website there are many pages, multiple pages like about us page, service page, contact page. Okay, so these are the different pages. So if you want to add different pages, so you will click on add new. Okay, when you click on add new you need to give a title to your page. So here I am giving title to my page as about us. Okay, then if I want to add some block, like if I want to add paragraph or anything, so here you get a blocks. From here if you want to add paragraph, just click on the paragraph and you will get a block here. Okay, now next is if you want to add heading, list, codes, classic. If you want to add a HTML code also you can add. Okay, if you want to add image, gallery, audio, anything, there are various options you will get here, you can add in your page. Okay, so this was about blog. Then suppose I'm writing here as welcome. Okay, welcome to about us page. Okay, after this don't forget to publish your page. So I am publishing here. Now about us page is now live. You will get to see the about us page. So this way you will create your page. If you want you can also preview your page. As I have not written anything, I would not get to see the output. This is a basic page I have created. When you click on settings, you get different options like font size. You can change the font size from here. Okay, you can also give your custom font size. Suppose I'm giving here 25, I can give. Then there is a color setting. If I want to change the text color, I can change the text color also. Okay, if I want to change the background color, I can change the background color. Okay, next is drop cap option. If you want your initial letter should be in capital, then you can click on drop cap. Next is advanced. In advanced option you get to write a HTML. You can add your HTML code or else additional CSS. So this is the options you get for the page. And as I told you, don't forget to update your page. If you want to preview, you can preview also. This is a tab view and this is the mobile view of your page. Next option is if you want to see what pages you have in your website, you can also see that by clicking on all pages. Now here you can see I have created the about us page, so it is showing about us page. Next is privacy policy and sample page. This both page is by default in the WordPress site. Okay, so you can create as many pages as you want to create. So this was about the pages. Thank you for watching.